Hi friends, let me show you these Airtag cases that I received for reviewing purposes. These cases are designed to be attached to your pet's vests, and they are waterproof, so you can't install them and your pets can freely move around, and the Airtag will be safe, okay? So let's try them. This is where your Airtag goes. Let me bring it. So friends, I'm going to install my Airtag in the case. Remember, you get the special screwdrivers to open it. I already configured my Airtag in my phone. So now I'm going to close the 4 screws so it is really waterproof. Okay. Okay, so it's ready. I have my Airtag here. Now I am going to screw it to the vest. Let's do it. So if you are going to install it in a collar, you can put the collar through this guide and use these holes as a measurement where they should be. But we have a vest for our pets, so I am going to install it in the vest, okay? Ready. We have our Airtag here, securely attached with screws in a case that is waterproof. Let me put it to my dog. So, this is Choco. There he goes. And the Airtag is down here, so it won't bother him. He won't be able to shoot it or whatever. You could install it anywhere in a vest. I think this place is the best one for my pet, for this vest. So that's it. Now you have your dog with the Airtag. It's not easy to get rid of the Airtag if they don't get rid of the vest. It's waterproof, so it doesn't matter if my dog goes through a little water in the street or some rain. You will always be able to know where your dog is. Perfect.